When you run an online store, offering customers flexible payment options can make a huge difference in conversion rates. Two of the most popular buy now, pay later platforms in North America are Klarna and Sezzle. Both help shoppers split their purchases into smaller payments, making it easier to buy now and pay over time. But while they look similar on the surface, they have some key differences that can affect both customer experience and how they fit into your e-commerce business. Klarna is one of the biggest names in the buy now, pay later space, operating across dozens of countries and working with some of the largest retail brands. For shoppers, Klarna's main draw is flexibility. Customers can pay in 4 equal installments, pay later after 30 days, or even finance purchases over several months, depending on the merchant and the shopper's credit profile. For merchants, Klarna handles the risk, meaning you get paid up front, while Klarna collects payments from the customer over time. Klarna's checkout is smooth and visually polished, which helps build trust and reduce cart abandonment. It integrates with all major e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, and provides merchants with data insights that track shopping behavior and spending patterns. Klarna's marketing reach is another major benefit. It promotes participating merchants within its own app, which can drive new customer traffic from shoppers already using Klarna. Sezzle, on the other hand, focuses primarily on North American consumers and smaller merchants. It also offers the classic 4-payment plan with 0 interest and no hidden fees, as long as customers pay on time. Sezzle's onboarding process for merchants is simple and quick, and its platform is known for transparency and user-friendliness. Like Klarna, Sezzle pays merchants upfront while managing the customer's payment schedule. One of Sezzle's strongest advantages is its mission-driven branding. It markets itself as a financially responsible payment option, helping customers build better credit habits through its Sezzle Up program, which can report on-time payments to credit bureaus. For small and mid-size e-commerce stores, Sezzle's focus on younger, budget-conscious shoppers can be especially appealing. It integrates easily with most e-commerce systems and provides clean reporting tools for merchants to monitor transactions and performance. Comparing the two, Klarna has the edge in global reach, scalability, and brand recognition. It suits merchants who sell across multiple markets or want access to Klarna's large existing customer base. Its checkout feels refined, and it offers more payment plan variations beyond the simple 4-part model. Sezzle, meanwhile, shines with its simplicity, clear communication, and strong appeal among Gen Z and millennial shoppers who want straightforward, short-term payment options. If your goal is to expand your reach and attract high-value shoppers across multiple regions, Klarna is the way to go. But if you want a fast, friendly solution that fits seamlessly into your existing store and resonates with everyday consumers, Sezzle is an excellent choice. Both can help boost conversions, customer loyalty, and overall sales, making flexible payments one of the smartest moves you can make for your e-commerce business.